Hola.
You're talking.
Huh? What's blue shine?
I don't know who's blue shine.
I know. Who's blue shine? Show your face.
They're not showing their faces.
I'm not showing my face too. I don't know.
Can you see my stuff?
Yeah.
Hold on, I'm going to change this.
Charles? Is that you? Okay, hold on. This alarm is clicking.
Cool. Oh, shut up. So let me move this.
Oh my goodness. There's the blue shine. There's a cold.
Who's blue shine? Who's blue shine?
The one eating donut again. What is it?
Why do you have two?
One's audio and one's video.
What? What is he eating?
He's eating Doritos. Wait till I eat my own egg roll. You guys won't get to eat it. Now he's laughing. Is that yours too? The audio? You have two devices?
I'm going to take a picture of him if he does that.
I'll do it again. Do it again. He's going to take a picture of you with the Doritos on.
Nah, I switched it off.
Right there.
Yeah, let me take a picture.
So
Let me take a picture with the lens on. Hold on.
Take the lens off.
It's already posted.
Wait, make sure you see my EXP, huh?
It's recorded. How's that for a deal?
Yeah, record.
EXP, I got better one than EXP. Watch this.
VHS.
Now, what does it say here?
It's too small. I can't even see. It's called the belly. Infinite loop.
Oh, I love that.
Which one? What company is that? I just know it's an infinity loop. I like that. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. Hey, Charles, is that you? Is that you on the second device? No.
No.
Blue shine? Who's blue shine?
Blue shine need to get out. Otherwise, let me text this guy. Whoever is blue shine.
Who's blue shine? It doesn't.
Who is blue shine?
Blue shine, who are you?
No, we have to kick you out because we don't want to get a hacker. You might be a hacker. Gary, did the hacker follow you?
No.
That's Canola.
Canola.
I knew it. I had a feeling it could be either one of them, but
You need to identify yourself. That's where the problem is.
show your face or identify. Yeah.
I would have kicked you off.
Yeah.
Okay, how many people?
Boot.
So who's one,
Kelly,
2, 3, 4, 5? I know Kelly can't come on, but so,
we should have 11 of us supposedly.
So where's Matt? Matt's not showing up, or
Matt, Alton. Okay, here.
Mr. Fong, he's there.
Show your face.
Gary, how come I don't see your picture, man? You know, your face. Where you guys hiding? You and Amber is hiding.
Hi.
I need you guys to show me your faces. There's a reason for it.
You don't want to have a hacker here?
I want to see your faces this because I'm about to.
So
I'm going to explode today. Today, Connie's not going to like me.
Oh no, Alicia. I know.
When did she ever?
Okay, this is 5 o'clock. You guys need to be on the thing on 5, not
Let's
510
just start it.
501,
Here.
right?
Can we get started? I like,
Yeah,
I
see,
have
there she goes again. Like
Yeah.
I have to go. Where do you go? Which family you gonna go with? All right, I'm
well,
already.
A, I don't know what this call is about. B,
Okay.
I've only got like 18 other million people who want to do conference calls.
Right. So
let's
yeah,
get whatever
here's your problems. Here's your problems. Number one, the reason I set up this meeting is because I saw something that you guys were texting back and forth, and people were asking, "Hey, how you guys doing? How's this score?" I'm not interested in who's score, who's winning, who's making hits on the phone calls and that. Your job is you've given leads. You've been given leads for one reason. And those leads, I need you guys to attack it. Attack. That's it. If you don't pick up, or if they don't pick up, you got to call them back again. And here's the problem you guys are running into. You guys are not calling and keeping on top of these guys. These leads are not free. It's costing us. So all these leads, you guys burn through it. You can't burn through it. Even if you burn through it, make sure you call these people. This is what I got ticked off about this morning when I saw this thread come through. So here's your script. I'm giving you the script right now. I want you to work on it. I'm going to make it very simple. I'm working on the postcards. Postcards already got things going on. The printers are on and off because of the virus issues. So I can't get them to deliver, or I can't get them to pick up because they're in, where are these guys? What did I say they are, Connie? In Burbank or something, somewhere up there. So don't worry about where they are. So here's what I have to do. Listen to me exactly, and this is, I want you guys to follow this thing. There's no ifs or but. When the person picks up the call, we have a cash offer from a buyer. I want you to keep this in front of you when you're talking to these people. I have a cash offer from a buyer about your property and needs your attention. Please contact me at your earliest to discuss this important matter. That's the message you need to leave to these people. If they pick it up, I have a cash offer from a buyer about your property. That's it. Let them answer. If they answer, take it from there. If they say, you know what, the price is wrong, I don't like it, blah, 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 it's fine. Ask the next question. If the price was right, would you consider selling your home? That's it, no more, no less. If you're door knocking, same thing, memorize the sucker. I don't want you guys giving me feedback and saying, you know what, how many calls did you make? Why didn't they answer? Why didn't they do this? Why didn't they do that? I'm not interested in that. I want you to stay focused, laser sharp focus, and keep this thing in mind. This is what got me ticked off this morning. That's why I'm giving you, Gary, what are you doing? You got 5 things going on, man? So I want you to just focus on one thing, guys. We know we have postcards coming on. We have started something earlier than the postcards are coming on. I need you to just work on this with the phone calls. That's it, guys. Stay focused. I want you to be laser. I'm sending you this out. Charles, don't worry about writing it. I'm sending this thing out to you. Everything I do, I'll send it out to you guys. But my thing is, I want you guys to do this blinders on. Don't be afraid of calling, because you guys are wasting your energy by this text messaging. I'm not interested in your text messages. Your interest should be calling, not texting. This text messaging was only for one reason, is keep you guys together collectively. That was the only reason I set it up. Not for you guys to say, well, how many calls you made? Did you have any success? Not interested in other people's success. Be interested in your success. Your success is what's going to make this thing work. You guys call the shots. You guys need to create your own success. Don't worry about other people. All right? Don't worry about the other world. The world is not your success. If somebody is successful, he's a billionaire, trillionaire, whatever they are, you can't be them. You need to be who you are. And that's my objective for you guys, is to be focused about yourself, nobody else. Alicia, she just pounds the phone. Gary knows that. Gary's worked with her. All she does is pound and phone. That's it. If a person doesn't pick up, that's fine. So here's the trick I want you guys to work on. Step number 1, pick up the phone. If the person doesn't pick up the phone in 3 rings or 4 rings, I want you to call back, hang up and call back. One more time, 3 to 4 rings, ring, 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 ring. They haven't picked up, hang up and call back again, the same number immediately. So they will think somebody important is calling me, I better pick this up. If you want to do it 3 times, do it 3 times. I don't personally care. But the thing is, constant and the same number gets repetitious to these people, they'll pick it up. Right now, because we are working with the virus issues and all that, they are still finicky about not picking up the phones. So we are working with a lot of obstacles to go overcome these things. But at the same time, if you stay focused and just keep calling these people, when the postcards go out, I guarantee you that's going to work also. So I've got some good news on the postcards. Just to give you a heads up, I've got a pricing, not for 30,000 postcards. It's 60,000 postcards. So I've doubled the thing for the same price. Okay? So just bear with me. And as soon as we get the postcards coming in, I'll set it up. Another thing, there's two parts to this thing. The lenders and even realtors. So here's one part. If we get another lender to do the same thing what they've done again, we can add it to our bonus. Second, if you talk to another lender, they just say they just want leads. They don't want to deal with this whole with the cost of $1,500, $1,600 for $100 or $200, one-time fee. We'll give them a load of leads every month or whatever time frame they want to make, depending on what the cost. We have to figure out the cost. I'll figure that out. Second, if you talk to other realtors, they're also looking for leads. I can get them leads from Remind and we can sell it to these guys. They don't know where the leads are coming from. All our job is to get collectively money for our collection and put it in our banks, right? And that is going to help us promote our business, basically. So if you can talk to these people and say, hey, you need leads, talk to this guy, he'll set it up. We'll get the feed coming in. I'll have Connie pick up the money. Boom, we're done. That's it. I've given you 5 minutes. I was going to do half an hour. I'm not going to do it in half an hour. I don't need to chew you guys out, but I need you guys to stay away from asking, are you guys successful? No, it's not the idea of are you successful. It's because you haven't called these people over and over and over. I need you to pound the freaking phones. Excuse the word freaking. I want you to pound the phones. That's it. Yes, Charles.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. You know, that was me. I kind of took that when I was sending that message out. It was something that I did back when I used to work at Centos. We used to have what we're doing now. We called it phone block, where you would literally spend 4 to 8 hours, 3 to 4 days a week in the office, just pounding the phones. And so we would just kind of like send text messages to kind of say, oh, well, where you at? Where you at? Did you get anything? And it was just kind of like to boost the morale. That was it.
I understand. I understand that. But here's my thing. The way I'm setting you guys up is a little different method. And the reason I have some weak people in the group and I have some strong people in the group. The stronger ones, when you start asking these questions, it actually demoralizes those weaker guys. And that's what I don't want. Okay. So I also have to look at all those angles. So that's the reason when I saw this text coming in, I said, oh my God, I forgot to tell you guys and prepare you for this one reason. So now I need to start focusing you and preparing you guys for one thing only, nothing else. I want you to be laser focused, guys, nothing else. Gary, he door knocks, but he takes his stupid face mask with him, right? But he still asks. Now, Gary, I need him to change and ask, if the price is right, would you consider selling your home, Gary? Ask that stupid question over and over and over. This is from Tom Ferry, guys. It's the same tool. I just want you guys to ask, and ask. Don't know ifs or but. Done deal. Yeah?
Got it.
I just want to say that I call right now and I invite everybody in this group to join me 9 to 12 every day. So yeah, we adapt to the market.
You can do it on your own. You can do whatever. It's your business. I've given you guys everything you guys need right now. I'm feeding you guys everything you guys need. All you guys need to do is go and just do it. Nike job, just go do it, right? So call the stuff, make it happen. Call the stuff, make it happen. If you're making 5 calls and say, oh, well, have you had any success? No, you haven't made 25 calls. You haven't made 50 calls. You need to make volume calls to make this successful. That's it, guys. Just call, call, call. Don't give up. Leave a message. If you leave a message, that's fine. Another thing, once you get this guy coming in, text it to yourself and put it and send them a text message as well. That's another thing. Basically, you guys have no idea what I'm about to do. The next step, I need you guys to create a video and ask them, if the price is right, would you consider selling your home? Text the freaking thing.
Hey, Arvin.
Yeah.
Quick question. So I talked to someone today and they said, I already have a realtor. And I said, okay, well, let me know when you want to cash offer. Feel free to reach back out to me. And they said, how did you get my number? What do I say?
It's available to all realtors.
You're a realtor, you get all the
I'm a
information.
realtor. I have access to it.
It is public knowledge, public information.
Who cares? You guys need to stop worrying about what if.
No. I'm just saying, like, I'm trying to close the deal, Arvin, and I'm trying to get your advice on how to overcome the objection.
No, I understand that. But what I'm also helping you understand is the more conflicts you have in your mind, the worse it's going to get. So I want you to stay laser focused in with her case.
I am laser focused, Arvin. I'm trying to overcome the objection. There's nothing to do with my mind. This is what someone's saying.
Hold on. So I'm coming to that answer. So the question and the answer to that would have been is realtors have access to public information.
Okay.
And if you're a realtor, you have a realtor, did he offer you a price? Actually, did he offer you and bring you a buyer? Mm-hmm. No, they haven't. Well, I have. Do you want to work with me now?
Okay.
That's turning them around. Yeah.
That's what I was asking. Okay.
Yeah, no, that's fine. But at the same time, there's a lot of fluff out there. I want you to stay away from fluff. I want you to also stop thinking about what if. Think about, hey, it's going to happen. I'm going to take it this way.
No, this is what happened to me, Arvin.
No, I understand.
Call.
No, I understand.
I'm not saying like, what if they say this? What if say that? Like, this is what they're telling me.
I understand that that's you. I'm talking about the rest of the group as well. I'm giving them as well because I know Alton is going to think about what if. See, that's what I'm looking at that as well. So I'm going to clean this up for everybody as well. So with your case, yes, and just tell them straight out, it's public knowledge. It's available. How did I get your telephone number? The telephone company gave it to me. It doesn't matter where they get it. The thing is you got it because it's public knowledge. You can tell him, it says, hey, I'll give you a place to go and see your name. Fast People Search, and give him that. He'll find himself there. How he's going to get rid of that? He doesn't know that. You are one of the few people who know it. If you go to Fast People Search right at the bottom, privacy, you can remove your name, right? They don't know that. So don't tell them that. Just leave them public, right? Their information is public knowledge at the city and everywhere. They pay bills, they pay taxes, they pay property taxes and everything. It's available. Right. It's not that they are hidden. So they can't hide from you. And as a realtor, you have full access to everybody's information. That's as simple as it gets. Anything else before I let you guys go? Nope. All right, guys, go make it happen. Here's the stuff. I'm going to send it out to you guys, and hopefully just stay focused, guys. Don't panic. All right.
Arvin, don't forget to write the template for the lenders.
Yeah, I'll work that out for you guys.
All right,
also.
thank you.
I remember we talked about that, Connie. I can send you over what I have.
That's
okay,
right.
then we can
I'm gonna simplify it. I don't want it to be too complicated. Okay. Because what happens is these guys then flood me with the questions, and I don't need to answer too many questions. I just want them, hey, are you in or not? Here's this. It's simplified as best as possible. Take it from there. Yeah. Okay. Got it. All right, guys.
Thanks, Arvin. Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Good luck, everyone.
Good luck, everybody.
Awesome.